I am reporting from Tangan Island, Aryata District, Sumuna Province. The condition of the entry channel in all area of Thailand. This land is potentially very concerning. Large amount of plastic waste also waters and various types of household survival diseases.
This accumulation of waste has the potential to block the flow of water and might cause flooding during the rainy season. In addition, it contributes to environmental pollution and poses health risks to the surrounding community. Local residents hope that the restoration will take immediate action to clean the area and raise public awareness about the restoration